20 years, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
The entertainment industry has lost a talented soul. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Zanti. Bathandi bomkhosi, it is set to announce the passing of Mbongeni Ngema, who passed away last night on a tragic car accident. Bathandi bomkhosi, this is indeed sad news. Kanti kwenzakalani ngalo December? Mbongeni Ngema was well known for the role he played on Usarafina, a popular movie here on South Africa and across the world that portrayed what really took place here in South Africa during the apartheid era. Condolences to his family and loved ones. Hi ke bathandi bomkhosi, you all know ukuthi South Africans, they can never keep their mouth shut. Abakwazi ukuthula, iyashisa imilomo. They are talking, people are talking bathandi bomkhosi. They are stating that Mbongeni Ngema was allegedly an abusive man towards Uleleti Khumalo, our very own Sarafina. Bathandi bomkhosi, Mbongeni Ngema and Uleleti Khumalo, they got married while Uleleti Khumalo was very young, and it is stated that allegedly during the course of their relationship, Mbongeni Ngema was abusive towards her. Bathandi bomkhosi, this is indeed shocking to hear. But why do people have to wait until he died for them to start talking about the things that he did to Uleleti Khumalo? Please do leave your comments in the comment section. Bathandi bomkhosi, at this point, I really doubt ukuthi Mbongeni Ngema is resting in peace, because the tweets are happening, and you know one thing about Twitter, it is a brutal app. Please do leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching.